guys, welcome back to Let's Cook That. Today we're going to have a new video of Tacos El Gobernador. On our trip to Mazatlan, I tried those tacos. They were so good. I even forgot to take a picture of it. Actually, I did put it on my Snapchat as a video, but I forgot to save it. But anyways, they were really delicious, so I was being an FBI investigating what it came with, and I said, I gotta do these at home. So we're gonna do them today. Hopefully they taste as good. So our ingredients are shrimp. I have about 1.5 pounds here. We will be using about 2 to 3 shrimps per taco, but I think 2 will be good. And then I have some corn tortillas. I have a garlic clove, some chopped onion. I have some chopped tomato. I did remove the seeds. I have queso Oaxaca, because that's going to make our tacos delicious. It's like a quesataco, but you know, it's a quesadilla taco, but with shrimp. But it's really good, you guys. And then I have a pasilla chile. You guys could call it, they call it pasilla poblano. I already roast it, and then you're going to peel it, remove the seeds, and then I chopped it like this. This one I'm going to use it for something else that I'm going to do later. And then I have some butter, and we'll be using a little bit of oil. So what I'm going to do with the shrimp, I already bought them clean and deveined, but what I'm going to go ahead and do is cut them. We're going to cut them a little open, and then I'm going to chop them up just to make them smaller so they can fit in your taco, in your taco El Gobernador. So we're going to go ahead and chop them. And I was wondering, why are they called tacos El Gobernador? And the story that they told me was that there was a governor in Sinaloa that one time went to a restaurant or something like that, and he asked for like a quesadilla, but he told him to put, you know, some shrimp in there and with tomato and stuff like that. So I guess everybody liked it. It was really good. So they named it after him. They even told me his name, but I can't remember. But they're very good tacos, you guys. You guys are gonna love it. So when you open them up, if you see it has this other little vein on the other side, that's when you're gonna pull it out and then cut your shrimp. That's why I slice them first before chopping them. Let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and put some butter, let it melt. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of oil, just because when you put oil and butter together, it makes everything more caramelized. So once that's melted, we're going to go ahead and put in our onion. And our garlic. And we'll give it like 2 to 3 minutes. Now, once you see that it starts to get transparent, we're going to go ahead and add our chili. If you want to spice it up, you could also cut a little bit of jalapeno in it. So once our onion and our garlic and our chilies are like sauté, we're gonna go ahead and throw in the shrimp. And we're gonna go ahead and cook our shrimp. Shrimp usually cooks in about 3 minutes. Try not to cook it for more than 5 or 6 minutes, because then it's not good. So let's add some salt and pepper. If you don't want to add salt and pepper, you could add some seasoning salt or garlic salt, whatever you want, but I'm just adding salt and pepper. And just because You guys know I love paprika to give everything color. I will add a little bit of paprika. I don't think you're supposed to put this in there, but it'll give it color and flavor. So we're just cooking this. We're gonna go ahead and give it a couple more minutes. So once you see that your shrimp is cooked, we're gonna go ahead and add the tomato. And the reason why I removed the seeds, it's so, you know, like the tomato brings out that juice. We don't want it too juicy because we are gonna put it inside a taco, like in a quesadilla taco. And we're gonna go ahead and get them a little crispy. Okay, at this point, we're gonna go ahead and try it. It's really good. Man, this does taste delicious. But at this point, you're gonna go ahead and see if if it's good for your tasting. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of garlic powder, just because I love garlic and paprika and all that stuff. And I'm gonna add a little bit of sea salt, not sea salt, a little bit of seasoning salt, just because I already added salt, but just a little bit. I just wanted to bring out more flavor. And then let's just mix it for another 2 minutes, and this part will be done. So this looks all done, and it looks delicious, and it smells delicious. Don't you guys wish there could be a button through social media so you guys could smell it? I'm crazy, I know. All right, so I do have the griddle warming up. I have it on medium. We're gonna go ahead and let that heat up. We're gonna turn this off and get ready to make our tacos.
Ready whenever they go.
Ready? Okay, you guys, I have my griddle already nice and warm. I think I'm gonna lower it a little bit. You could just put your tortillas this way, like that. But since I want them a little more crispy, I'm gonna go ahead and put some pan spray. I think I'm running out. Okay, there you go, some pan spray. And then we're gonna go ahead and put our tortillas. And we're gonna go ahead and put some cheese so they could go ahead and start melting. So the cheese did start to melt, but before the tortilla gets nice and crispy, I'm gonna go ahead and add shrimp to one side. If you don't want to cut them, you could do the shrimps whole. You probably use like 2 to 3 shrimps, but use the spatula. I'm gonna fold them. Continue, let them get crispy from both sides. I think I put too much shrimp. There it goes. I mean, this is so good, you guys. Okay, so these are getting crispy. I guess it's however you like it, how crispy you want it. But look, you guys, look how good that looks. Oh my God. Can't wait to try it. I'm pretty sure at the restaurants they probably brush on butter or oil, but I just wanted to do it with pan spray just so, it won't be too much of the fat. Okay guys, here is our final result. They look very delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And let's give it a try. You don't really need to top it off with anything but salsa, and it tastes really, really good. I added guacamole into them just because they had brought us guacamole with chips, but let's try this. Some salsa that I already had made, that I made yesterday. And let's move this to the side. Some lime if you want. And oh my God, my mouth is so watery, you guys. Hopefully it's not that hot. My God, you guys, I'm telling you, these are so good. I wish I could eat all 3, but I can't because I'm doing this weight loss thing. But 2 I am gonna have, and then I'll have some salad or vegetables on the side. But let's go for the other bite. All right, guys, very delicious. I'm thinking mine are better. You know, everything at home is way better. But thank you for watching and have a great day. And I hope you guys make them and leave your comments, you guys. If you guys made them, leave your comments that you loved them because I loved them. See you next time. Bye.